friends! Today we will learn 4 new colors: peach, violet, sky blue, and silver. Hi friends! Today we will learn the peach color. Are you ready? Let's go! Here is a peach fruit. Peaches are soft and sweet. Look at this peach sofa. Sofas are comfy to sit on. Wow! A peach cat! Cats love to play. Here is a peach balloon. Balloons float in the sky. A peach cupcake. Cupcakes are yummy. Which one is peach? Can you guess? Great job, friends! Today you learned the peach color. See you next time! Hi, friends! Today we will learn the violet color. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this violet flower! Flowers smell so nice! Wow! A violet teddy bear! Teddy bears are soft and cuddly. Here are violet grapes. Grapes are yummy and sweet. Here is a violet balloon. Balloons float up high. Which one is violet? Can you guess? Yes, teddy bear is violet. Great job, friends! Today you learned the violet color. See you next time! Hi, friends! Today we will learn the sky blue color. Are you ready? Let's go! Here is a sky blue balloon. Balloons float up high. Look! A sky blue cloud. Clouds float in the sky. Wow! A sky blue bicycle. Bicycles go fast. Here is a sky blue bird. Birds love to sing. Here is a sky blue cup. Cups hold yummy drinks. Which one is sky blue? Can you guess? Great job, friends! Today you learned the sky blue color. See you next time! Hi, friends! Today we will learn the silver color. Are you ready? Let's go! Here is a silver robot. Robots are so cool! Look at this silver spoon. We use spoons to eat food. Wow! A silver car! Cars go vroom vroom. This is a silver shield. Shields keep us safe. Here is a silver clock. Tick-tock, it tells the time. Which one is silver? Can you guess? Great job, friends! Today you learned the silver R color. See you next time!